Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to connect Terabox to Telegram in 2025 so you can download or stream your files without logging in or dealing with annoying ads. First, open your browser and search for Terabox Downloader. Make sure you find the official bot link. Once you have it, open Telegram and search for the Terabox Downloader bot. Tap Start to activate it. Next, go to Terabox and copy the link of the file you want to access. Switch back to the Telegram bot and either send the link directly or use the command/link followed by your Terabox URL. The bot will instantly process your request, giving you the option to download or stream the file right inside Telegram. No logins, no ads, just fast and hassle-free access to your files. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've connected Terabox to Telegram and unlocked a faster way to manage your files. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy tech tips.